Hi guys, I ordered again to Food Panda using my very first Atomic card. Order ulit tayo sa Fix Coffee Grass. Ang in-order natin ngayon is Campfire Mocha. Diba? Ngayon guys. And dinagdag ko din or additional to their menu is their homemade marshmallow. See the consistency. A first credit limit in Atomic Card is 4,000 pesos. Trinay ko lang naman siya. Trying to increase my credit limit.
And social crime.
And of course, social climate. Ama ka doon. Pero i-vlog ko din yung matatapos na rin ako sa home credit at last. I vlog home credit way back 2021 and 2022. So, na first loan ko sa home credit, I think 90,000. Then second loan ko sa home credit is around 130. So, I always stay at home kasi wala na akong panggastos. Sige, coffee muna tayo.
Okay na to.
Okay na to.